So we got our 67 C10 here. We're getting ready to modify the floor. We're going to have this thing on air ride. We're going to be able to lower it down. So I'm getting ready to notch the wheel wells in here so we can get clearance for our tires. And then we're also shaving some stuff. We shaved the holes here for the stake pockets and the gas filler neck on the other side. We're going to make this thing a real nice clean build when it's all done.
I'm going to help Travis out here on the C10. We're going to make some wheel tubs for this. I'll get the side panels done. We'll put a little roll on it so it's not a sharp 90-degree turn there and make it nice, smooth looking. And we'll get that cut out and weld it together and get them in the truck.
So Travis and Mark got the wheel tubs finished in the bed, so what we're going to go ahead and do is get them TIG welded out and finish out the rest of the bed.
So the front wall of the bed on the very top has a rolled edge and the sides are nice and squared off. So what we're going to do to clean it all up is cut that rolled edge off, make a new piece the same width and everything as the sides, weld it on. That way we have a nice clean square edge all the way around when we're said and done.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.